Snap. All right, so welcome. On my channel, you're going to find Civil 3D tips, tricks, and tutorials that are going to make your life as a designer, engineer, or drafter just a little bit easier. So who am I? My name is Kyle Vines. I am a Civil 3D designer with more than 7 years of experience in drafting and design. I also work at a top 25 ENR rated engineering firm. I am a girl dad, a runner, a rock climber, a bicycle traveler, and an efficiency fanatic. This channel is focused on sharing the skills that I've learned over the last 7 years and show you workflows and processes that are going to help make your life a little bit easier, make your deliverables a little bit cleaner, and make your boss, your client, your project manager a little bit happier with the work that you do. Every Tuesday, I'm going to put out a new video focused on a different aspect of Civil 3D design. We will cover things that are more geared towards beginners, so generating alignments, generating profiles, but then we're also going to dive deeper into what Civil 3D is capable of and show you some of the more advanced tools such as smart labels, pipe networks, pressure networks. The neat thing is that no matter your skill set, you are going to find immediate value in what I am showing you. The topics that we're going to be covering here come directly from questions that I get on a daily basis from engineers, project managers, other designers, or drafters. So all of this is going to be relevant to the industry. Thank you for watching this far. I really appreciate you checking out my channel. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe and like. You'll also notice that I am not showing any ads on this channel. So if you want to become a patron, you can find me at patreon.com/Kyle Vines. That's also linked below. If there is a topic that you would like covered, just leave a comment and I will definitely get to it. Another thing that you can do is watch this video here and you will see insight into what these tutorials are going to look like. Thanks for checking out my channel and I will see you on Tuesday.